Hi everyone, I'm Courtney and in today's video I'm going to be showing you what I won in the Soph giveaway box. I won the purple box and I believe there was two other winners who won the pink box and the red box. So I'm just going to show you what I got and then later on in the video I'm going to create this look. So if you want to see how I did this look, make sure you stick around till the end of the video and then I'll do a tutorial. So this is the box of things that I won and I'm going to show you one by one what I got with swatches. I've taken most of the products out of the boxes as I did use them to do this look. So I'm just going to go through them one by one and show you what I got. So firstly I'm going to go through the eyeshadow palettes. And first I got this Pop Beauty eyeshadow palette, which is a beautiful range of purple tones. They're all shimmery shades and glitters, so this wouldn't be good for you if you had a thing for matte shades. However, as you can see, I did create a very nice look using this palette. The second eyeshadow palette that I got is this eyeshadow quad by Diego Dalla Palma in Almost Greige, which is full of these beautiful gunmetal shades. And the third eyeshadow palette I got is this Dawngazing palette by the Beauty Crop, which is full of these burgundy and pink shades, and there's a glitter shade down there in the corner. And last but not least, the final eyeshadow palette that I got is this Smashbox Golden Hour Eye palette, and it has these beautiful nude toned shimmer shades and a lovely purple shade there. These are all shimmers and these two up here are matte. Perfect for handbag if you want to travel with a small palette. Now on to lashes. I am actually wearing a pair of lashes that I got in the box and these are called the KVD Vegan Beauty Full Lashes. These are the ones I've got on now. And then I also got a pair of natural lashes, which are the same but they're a bit more sparse, so they're more for a sort of everyday workwear look. I also got these Coco Glow Illuminating Facial Drops, which are these beautiful glittery sort of shimmery body oil thing, but I used it as primer in this makeup look because I just wanted to bring a little bit of glitter into the look. I also got this Serum Mist, a Barry M Cooling Cucumber, Archaea Collagen Hyaluronic Acid and Vitamin B5 spray, which I did use in this look as setting spray. Onto eye products. I got a Winky Lux So Extra. Ooh, I just threw that across the room. That's over there now, but I got a Winky Lux So Extra mascara, which is just a really nice mascara that I did use in this look. I then got a Diego Dalla Palma Purple Eye Mascara, which is a beautiful, beautiful shade of purple. I then got a huge variety of lipsticks and lip glosses. So to start, I'll show you the lip glosses. We've got a Beauty Bay lip gloss, a Diego Dalla Palma lip gloss. I got a Diego Dalla Palma lip gloss again, and this is a KVD Vegan Beauty lip gloss. I forgot one lip gloss. I got the Happy Glaze lip gloss from Morphe 2, which is this beautiful duochromed glittery lip gloss. I then got a variety of matte liquid lips. These two are from Revlon. This one is from the Beauty Crop, I believe, and this one is Maybelline. I got a Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner in Punk Rock. I got two lip liners. I got the Revolution Makeup London in Glory, which is a brown tone liner, and I also got the Diego Dalla Palma Purple Lip Liner in 57. I then got a huge range of lipsticks. I'll just run through them quickly for you. I got two Bare Minerals lipsticks in Optimism and Purpose. I then got a Diego Dalla Palma lipstick in Dark Purple, a MAC lipstick in Rebel, a little mini bullet one. I got two Urban Decay lipsticks in Moshpit and Twitch. And then last but not least, I got a Wonder 2 lipstick in the shade Better Burgundy, which is a really beautiful nude shade. And now I'm just going to go into the next portion of this video, which is a tutorial using these products. So if you want to see how I did this look, keep on watching. So I did my eyebrows off camera because I wanted to just dedicate this video strictly to the products I did get in the Soph box. But I used the Revolution Pro eyebrow pomade in dark brown just to do my eyebrows and run a bit of product through them. So the first product that I'm going to be using from the Soph box is the Coco Glow Illuminating Drops. I know that they're supposed to be body shimmer drops for like summertime, just to add some shimmer to your body, but I'm going to use it as primer. Just going to rub that between my fingers. I've got my mirror over here, so that's where I'm going to be looking. And I'm just going to rub that across the entirety of my face. Doesn't have a scent. Feels very nice. Soft texture. Doesn't have too much glitter in it. Has like a nice sheen. Nice summery glittery effect, but not too much. It's not huge chunks of glitter, it's like really tiny little micas. So I'm going to go off camera and do my base using the Lasting Perfection Matte Foundation and the concealer, as these weren't in my Soph box, but I obviously need to do my base and then I'll come back once those are done. So now my base is done, I'm just going to be using the Serum Mist that I got in the Soph box and just spritzing my face to get it prepped for highlighter. My hair looks a bit wet because of all that setting spray. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using this shimmery shade from the Pop Beauty palette that I got in the Soph box as highlighter. And I believe that shade is called Celestial. So I'm going to be using Celestial on a tapered brush to highlight my face. Just taking that brush, going in like this, tapping off the excess. And I'm just going to use that as a highlighter on all the high points of my face, cheeks, forehead, nose, Cupid's bow, chin, all the good areas. So now the base is done, I'm going to move on to eyeshadows, and as you saw in the unboxing portion of this video, I got 4 small eyeshadow palettes in the Soph box. So to start off, I'm just going to be priming my lid with a concealer so that the eyeshadows have a base to stick to. And then carving the underneath side of my brow with the product that's remaining on the brush, just to get that clean, nice shape. Using a fluffy brush just to blend out that evenly across my lid. So the first shade that I'm going to be using from the Pop Beauty palette is the shade Supernova, which is this one in this corner over here. And I'm just going to be packing that into the outer corner of my eye, like so. So far, as I can see, this palette doesn't have much fallout, but as we go along, I'll keep you updated and see if any of the product gets stuck to my face. And I'm just bringing that up slightly into the crease. Now this palette is full of just shimmer shades, there aren't any mattes, so this look will look pretty shimmery. I would say that is the only problem with this palette, is that it hasn't got any matte shades, so you have to work solely with shimmer shades, but if you have another palette on hand that has more matte shades, then you could always use this just to accentuate the look. Then what I'm going to be doing is using the shade Amethyst from the Pop Beauty palette just to blend that purple shade further up into the crease. Once again, this is also a shimmery shade, so this look will be very shimmery. If you don't like very shimmery looks, I would not recommend this palette to you. However, it does the job if you want a nice little glittery palette. I'm just bringing that shade also in towards the inner corner of the crease, using circular motions to create a nice and even blend. Now what I'm going to be doing is using the shade Hero from the Smashbox palette and working that into the brow bone area of my eye. And I'm also just bringing that slightly into the outer corner of the eye just to assist in blending that purple shade outwards. Once again, I'm just going to go back into that Pop Beauty palette and the shade Amethyst just to re-add pigmentation. I've just seen there that I've got a little bit of fallout. Now I'm not sure if that's from the shade Amethyst or Supernova, but that's easily fixed. I'm just going to take my powder brush and I'm just going to swipe that away and then continue with the eye look. Going back into that shade Supernova, I'm just going to re-add some pigmentation into the outer corner of the eye, blending that upwards into that amethyst shade. Going back into the brush that had the amethyst shade on, just to assist in blending that darker shade out so we don't have any harsh lines. I'm just going to go back into that Supernova shade and then I'm going to go underneath my eye. And I'm taking a little bit more of a domed brush and I'm going to go back into that amethyst shade and then join that up into the upper lid. Like so. I'm also going to bring it slightly into the inner corner. Now once again, I'm just going to go back into that Smashbox palette and take that skin tone shade there and use that to blend that amethyst shade into your skin. Like so. Now I've done that, I'm going to go into the Diego Della Palma quad in Almost Greige and pick up this shade down in the corner, which is called Moonrise. I'm going to use a clean finger and pick that up. I'm just going to lay that into the inner half of the crease. Don't have to be neat. I'm also going to pick up that same shade with my pinky finger and just apply that in the inner corner of the lower lid, like so. Now what I'm going to do is go back into the Pop Beauty palette and just take that same shade that we highlighted our face with and highlight the inner corner of the eye. I'm also going to take that same shade and pop that into the brow bone area to tie the whole look together. Now one eye is done, I'm just going to go off camera and do the other eye. So I just went ahead off camera and completed the other eye and I also added some liner. So what I'm going to be doing now is applying the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Liner in Punk Rock, just on the outskirts of my eyeliner here, just to give the look a bit more of a pop. Just got my little mirror here. I'm just going to go directly on the edge of that wing on both sides. And what I'm also going to do is I'm just going to add that on the inner corner of the wing, just to carry it on in towards the inner corner, like so. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes to prep them for mascara. And now for mascara, as you saw in the unboxing portion of this video, I got two different mascaras in the SophBox. So I'm going to be using the Winky Lux one for my upper lashes and I'm going to be using the Diego Della Palma one for my bottom lashes. And then my bottom lashes. Look how beautiful that colour is. I don't know if my camera's focusing or if you can see it as much, but this is a really beautiful shade of purple. Then for lashes, I'm going to be using the KVD Vegan Beauty Full Lashes that I got in the SophBox. And I'm just going to apply those off camera because it's a little bit tricky to apply them on camera. Now both eyes are done and I've also added the lashes. I wouldn't say that these are full lashes. They definitely make your eyelashes look more filled in, but I wouldn't say that they're going out lashes. They're more of like an everyday sort of style. Saying that though, they do look very pretty. They are very soft and I would buy them again as everyday lashes. They wouldn't be very good, for example, if you had like a dark smoky eye or not anything darker than this. I think you would just lose them in the look, but they are very, very nice eyelashes. So for my lips, I'm going to be using the Diego Della Palma 57 lip liner and the Maybelline New York Superstay Matte Ink lipstick in Huntress number 90. So I'm just going to apply that now. First impressions of this lip liner is that it's very soft, very creamy, goes on really nicely. just went around the outskirts of my lips and softened it a little bit because it's not the exact same shade as this lipstick and I don't want it to look funny. I know it looks funny now, but once I've applied the lipstick, I promise it will look better. So I'm just going to apply the lipstick. It smells really nice, but I can't work out what it smells like. Finding this lipstick quite streaky. I don't know if it's because I haven't laid a grey toned lip liner underneath or if I'm just applying it wrong because I'm not used to these shaped doe foot applicators, but other than that the colour is beautiful. I love the colour of this lipstick. So this is the final look using the products that I won in the Soph giveaway box. I actually really enjoy the look of this makeup. I really enjoy cool tone purples, and there was quite a few purples in this box because this was actually the purple box giveaway. I believe there was a pink box and like a red tone box that 2 other winners won, and the box that I actually won was the purple one. What do you guys think of this look? Comment down below if you think that I did a good job. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates, and I'll see you next time. Bye!